If you encounter billing errors on Leadfeeder, it's important to address them quickly to ensure uninterrupted service. Follow these steps to resolve any issues efficiently. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your subscription plan, payment history, and any correspondence with Leadfeeder regarding billing. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Leadfeeder's customer support team. Use the contact form on their website or email them directly. Provide them with the details of the billing error and attach any relevant documents. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Be polite but persistent, as this will help expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue is resolved, keep an eye on your account and billing statements for the next few months. Ensure that the corrections have been applied and that no further errors occur. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve billing errors on Leadfeeder and maintain a smooth experience with the service.